Alright, I'm going to be changing my hood hinge. I just did this one yesterday. If I can get the light, there we go. Put a blanket under there and have it braced up, because I'll actually pull it out to get that spring off. Now what I'm doing is I've got a tie strap and I have it between two bars. It just falls off. So now I just put it on and stretch the spring, close the hood hinge a little bit, and I just take off the tension of the tie strap. And there we go. Awesome. Then I just have to put it on. Thanks for watching.